Hey guys, welcome back to Mob Tech Friends, where we tackle all things tech. In our previous video, we discussed about our upcoming video series, which will be about computer issues. You can find that video from the link up there. In today's video, we are diving into a problem that I'm sure most of you have faced at some point: a slow computer, which is also the first topic in our checklist. Don't worry though, I'm going to show you 5 easy ways to speed up your computer and boost its performance. This will be real quick tips anyone can follow, no matter your level of experience. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it and subscribe to the channel as well. Now let's jump right into it. First up, what I want to do is to disable unnecessary startup programs. These are the programs that automatically start when you turn on your computer and can really slow down your boot time. Now here is how you can fix it. You can either use Ctrl, Shift and Escape key to open the task manager, or you can right click on the taskbar, then choose task manager. You can also use right click on the start button and then you can see task manager over here. Now what I want you to do next is to choose the startup apps tab. Now from here, any application that you doesn't need, you can disable it, like applications that you doesn't need them to start automatically at your startup. So things like WhatsApp, I can social media, things like Xbox, I don't need these things to start up anytime when I boot my computer, so I'll just disable them to keep my computer running and booting up faster. But be sure you don't disable important programs. You can stick to non-essential apps like media players and updaters, but be sure you don't disable your security applications and other important apps. Now, tip number 2, I want us to clear some unnecessary software. So over time, we all install programs that we end up never using them, but they still sit in our computer taking up space. Now, to uninstall these programs, go to Start menu, then choose Settings. When your settings launches, navigate to Apps, then Installed Applications. Now you can see the applications that are installed on this PC. So any one of the applications that you don't need, like this application, you just click on it and then uninstall. Then you verify that surely you want to uninstall. Then you follow the procedure to clear up the program from your computer. Now there are some applications that you won't see them in the startup apps, but they also start up automatically, like this one, but they are not showing there. So whenever you see that, you can navigate to the uninstall section over here or installed app section over here, then try and install them. Tip number 3 is clean up some temporary files. So our computer always build up a lot of junk over time, things like cache, things like temporary internet files, and then some other things too that you don't have idea about, which can also slow down your system. Now to clean up these ones, what you want to do is, our computer have a built-in disk cleanup tool. So you can launch that from the search bar, then you type disk cleanup, so you can see, then you launch it. It will verify, then you choose the disk partition, or which of the disks you want to clean up. From that, after that, you select the files, the type of files you want to delete, like thumbnails, temporary files. You your computer might build a lot of this. I deleted mine recently, so you can select that one as well. Then recycle bin, you might have a lot of things that you have put them over there that you don't need them again. You just select them, then after that you click OK and you click on delete files. Then this built-in this cleanup will do a thing to finish the cleaning. Now that's tip number 3. And then the 4th thing I want you to do is to optimize your system's visual effects. Now Windows like to make things look pretty, but sometimes these animations and shadows can slow down your computer. So to adjust this, what I want you to do is navigate to the search bar, then search for advanced system settings. Now you can see the suggestion is up here. It's in the control panel, and you can navigate to that. You can search for control panel as well. Then from here you can see performance. Tap on the settings or click on the settings, then disable all the heavy ones. What I used to do is to disable all the heavy ones, then leave those that I might need them. Yes, but what best might suit you is to choose adjust for best performance. Now when you click this, look at the changes though. When I click on apply, now you can see that all those shadows and those animations that will make the computer work slow are now gone. So you can see. Tip number 5, for the final tip I want to give you, is to remind you to always keep your system up to date. Now keeping your system up to date means solving compatibility issues as well. Now sometimes when your PC misses driver updates and system updates, it loses compatibility and then slows down your computer. So to check for system update, most of us might know it, but you navigate to the start button and then choose settings, which you can also launch with Windows and I key. Then navigate to Windows updates, then click on the check for updates. Now as you can see, Windows is now checking for updates. When I was here, it has checked for an update already, and then my system was up to date. So you wait for your system to check for the update, and then any update that is available, you can see my system is already up to date. Any available updates, you try to install them, download them and then install them, so that your computer might not miss the update. Now if your computer is still slow after all of this, it might be time to upgrade your hardware. For older computers, upgrading from traditional hardware or hard disk drive to current solid state drive might make a night and day difference in performance. So what I will urge you to do is get to the nearest shop, get yourself some solid state drive, then either you fix them yourself or give it to a technician to do the fixing for you. That works better for old computers. And let's say you're having a low RAM as well, you can also get to the nearest shop or give it to the nearest technician to upgrade your hardware for you, like your RAM. Change it. Maybe if you are using a 4 gig RAM, you can change it to 8 gig, or you can add more RAM to make your computer work faster. Alright guys, those are the 5 easy ways to speed up your slow computer. I hope you try them out and let me know in the comments section which tip helped you the most. Also, if you got other issues with your computer, drop them below. I might cover them in a future video. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more tips in our Windows troubleshooting series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.